Oh, sorry.
Sorry. You take it.
Please, you should take it.
Okay. I can't do this. No more romances, no more happily ever afters.
Thank you.
It's exhausting. Hi.
Hi. I love you.
Problem is, in this world, everything I say comes out too romantically. Oh, that looks heavy.
Nothing I can't handle.
See?
Oh, I think he likes you.
I'm a cat person.
So am I.
This is not going anywhere.
Excuse me?
This is.
When you've done enough, Uber Eats.